What is up, everybody? We are out here in Nashville early Sunday morning with the main man, Brennan. He's been a photographer for how many years?
Like 5?
5 years. He's done like weddings. He's done some cool, like, I guess you can call it grungy kind of thing. Like,
artsy stuff.
Yeah, like super like artsy. Like he just recently went to a show this Friday and did some like live photography.
DJ sets.
Yeah, if you ever heard of that, check him out. I'll leave his Instagram here, but I have this like POV kind of thing. It's the big rave on YouTube right now with photographies and videographies. So just come with us and we're gonna try to take some shots and I'll try to overlay them here, the edit version. So yeah, we'll get to it. Let's go.
Come with us if you want to live.
Not gonna fall, is it? You want to go up there? Yeah, and I'll shoot a picture of you just with that clear background and the bisque.
These look like some sort of like dystopian.
Let me put my 50 mil on. Oh, I found that on Amazon for like $10. You want to hop up there and pose. Ooh, you got a bird that flew in your frame too. Yeah, in the back. But look off into that black light or the clouds. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I got it in the picture next to you, but it's not as clear in detail like this. Yeah, look that way again. Yeah, there you go. Let's get you walking up these stairs. If you want to show your tattoos, one hand on the rail, and you're just like walking down. Oh no, your cigarettes.
They must have fell out of it.
Before you pick it up, wait. Pick it up now with your awesome hand. Yeah. Logo. Did they ever reach out to you and say cool?
I sent them Please don't. Oh, man.
Alright, that is a wrap with the street photography, the POV attempt that I tried to do. It went pretty good, but I also had to take my backpack off and on constantly, but to be a model, I guess you can say. But it was a great time with Brennan and I just getting out there and just shooting, practicing more, you know, just with our cameras and whatnot. I'm trying to, you know, learn more, do more, and just be better at this. And what better way to just go out and do some street photography of like buildings, and then just like have a subject there that's great, you know, and not be awkward when taking photos of somebody. But it was a great time. Glad he got to come out. I'll overlay some photos that we did that I didn't really capture on the gimbal. But yeah, if you can, like, subscribe, and if you like it, we'll do more. All right, bye.